Hello, everyone. My name is Kimberly Taylor with Universal Plan Administrators here in Lewiston, Idaho. We administer the flexible spending account and the HRA health reimbursement arrangement that is provided by Northwest Grain Growers. And we are going to do our meetings virtually this year due to COVID. So here we go. Open enrollment is your chance to make changes to your insurance benefits and your pre-tax plans for the year 2021, December 18th through December 7th through December 18th is open enrollment. Paylocity website is where you need to go for all online enrollment for your group health, vision, dental, and all the pre-tax benefits. If you're currently participating in the FSA, that is a change. In the past, we had paper forms that we used, and now you do need to go on to that Paylocity website to do your elections for unreimbursed medical or dependent care, and you need to get those done by December 18th. We have resources available to help determine your contribution for 2021. I've got worksheets and calculators available. You all should have received folders that include status letters if you have money remaining in your 2020 FSA or HRA. There are claim forms in there so that you know how to get those claims turned into me, and some more flyers and stuff that hopefully will help educate how these plans work. So the FSA is the first thing I'm going to talk about. There's no change in 2021. The IRS is allowing 2,750 per year or 105.77 per pay period. You have 26 pay periods there at Northwest Grain Growers. So what I suggest is try to get an idea of what your annual election should be. If you take prescriptions, if you know that you need new glasses, if you're going to have any dental work done, anything like that, just try to add it all up and then take that annual amount divided by 26, and that's how much will come out of your check each month. You want to plan carefully because changes are not allowed unless you have a qualifying event. Remember that this is pre-funded, meaning if you elect 2750, that entire election is available on the first day of the plan year. Only expenses incurred during the plan year can be reimbursed from that plan year. If you've got a bunch of doctor bills right now and you're thinking you'll sign up for the 2021 FSA and get those bills paid, I'm sorry, that's not how it works. If you have planned medical procedures for 2021 and you know how much they will cost or have an idea, this is what you're electing, things that you will have done next year. Okay. Status letters have been sent to everyone. If you're currently participating in the plan, if you have any money left in your FSA, you'll have a letter letting you know how much is available. The plan year ends 12/31. That means you need to get to the doctor, get those glasses purchased, get the dental work done. You don't have to pay for the bill. You just have to have the work done by 12/31. And then you have another 90 days to turn in those receipts. So get those into me by March 31st of 2021. If you have money remaining in your FSA, up to $550 can be carried over to the next plan year, and that will be processed once the 90-day run-out period ends. So about April 1st is when you should see those funds that are carried over. Another important benefit is the Dependent Care Assistance Program. The DCAP allows for child care, dependent care purposes, children 12 years and younger, for after-school purposes, daycare purposes, so that parents can be at work, or if you have elder care, if parents live with you, they're your tax dependents, and you need someone to come in and care for them while you're at work. Up to $5,000 a year can be set aside, $2,500 if you're married filing a separate return. Keep in mind that these expenses are only reimbursed up to the amount that you've contributed. So if you do $400 a month, you'll only get back $400 a month. It's not pre-funded at the beginning of the year, so keep that in mind. It's also a use it or lose it. You want to plan carefully. You can make changes if you report them timely. If your daycare needs change, if your rates go up, if someone suffers a job loss, you can always make changes. You just need to report them timely. Another important benefit provided by Northwest Grain Growers is the Health Reimbursement Account, the HRA. And this is available to all employees that are enrolled in the group health coverage. It's effective when your eligibility and probation period has been met for the group health. When you enroll in the group health, coverage into the HRA is automatic. Northwest Grain Growers contribution amounts are unchanged for 2021. So the HRA will pay $2,000 on an individual plan after the 500 deductible has been met, and it will pay up to $4,000 on a family plan after the 1,000 deductible is met. There are status letters included in your packets if you've got money remaining in the HRA. If you joined the plan mid-year, those amounts are prorated based on the effective date you joined the year. If you do not use all the money in your HRA, up to $500 for an individual and up to $1,000 for a family will be carried over into the next plan year, and you can use that to reimburse your deductible in the next year. It's a very rich benefit and really goes a long way to help with those deductible expenses. Claims information is very important. I included something here on how to submit a reimbursement claim for an HRA along with the expense voucher. You can use the same voucher for an FSA claim or an HRA claim. The HRA does require that you submit the explanation of benefits from the insurance company that shows the amounts being applied to your deductible. Only deductible amounts will be reimbursed. Prescriptions also apply to your deductible through your group health. You don't always get an explanation of benefits for those prescriptions, so you can just turn in the prescription receipt that you get that shows the name of the patient, the date, and the amount owed for that prescription, and I will reimburse those as well. You just need to send it in with the claim reimbursement form, or you can always use the online claims feature that's available through MyRSC. So the MyRSC is a website that's been specifically created just for your group. It includes information about your FSA and your HRA plans. Employees have 24-hour access 7 days a week. You can look at your balance information, any claims that you've already turned in. You can do online claims. You can enter your claims and upload them through this site, and they'll come directly to me. There's also a link to the FSA store, which is a great resource for using any money that you may have left in your FSA, or if you need to spend it down to, under $550, because only $550 will carry over. If you don't want to lose that money, then go to the FSA store. There's tons of items out there that are eligible. One of the new things that's a recent change due to COVID is that over-the-counter medicines like Tylenol, ibuprofen, NyQuil, Claritin, those type of things are once again eligible to be reimbursed through the FSA. You do not need a doctor prescription or a letter of medical necessity. Also, menstrual care products became eligible in 2020. There's a great list of eligible and ineligible items that's included in all of your folders, and the FSA store is a wonderful resource because you can buy those things online and have them sent directly to your home. Important things I want to reiterate is get your claims turned in for 2020 if you still have balances available, and make sure you do your 2020 elections through Paylocity. If you do $550 a year, it's only $21.15 per paycheck. You're not going to see your pay reduced by that amount because there's no taxes withheld from that amount of money. If you don't use any of it, 550 is available in 2022. So, just about to the end here. If you have any questions, no question is a bad question. If you're not sure if something is eligible, if you're not sure if you've turned in a claim, please contact me. My mailing address is listed, my 800 number. You can fax, you can email me. You can pick up the phone and call me, and I'd be happy to chat with you. There's a website available, upabenefits.com, and the myrsc.com website also. I just want to finish by saying thank you very much for your business. I really do appreciate you all and enjoy working with all of you.